What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I have been missing for a while, and I have a good excuse to why. I recently got over COVID about a few weeks ago, so I had to get myself back together, get back right for you guys, and so I can bring you guys some more content. But I am fully recovered and I am ready to jump back into the video. So by the title, you can see that I will be sharing my top 5 favorite deep conditioners that I am currently using. Now, I won't be rating these in any particular order because these are just some of my favorite deep conditioners, and I do use these on a weekly basis. So basically I just rotate every week depending on what my hair needs at that time. So the first deep conditioner that I'm going to be mentioning today is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Referral Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. And this is one of my OG favorites. I freaking love everything Shea Moisture. This is one I always seem to go to whenever my hair is really dry. Most of the conditioners that I'm showing you guys today is focused on hydration or replenishing because my hair does get dry over time. So anything that has hydration in it, I pretty much go for it. This one is a very thick consistency. It's really thick. So that's how that one looks. And it has Manuka honey and referral oil and fig extract. It helps to replenish and hydrate your curls. So this would be a really good starter deep conditioner if you don't know exactly what your hair needs at the time. So I would definitely try this one out. So next I have the Maui Moisture Hair Care Heal and Hydrate Hair Mask. In most products, the first ingredient is water, but this one is aloe. And I love aloe because aloe actually helps with hair growth. It also helps with detangling, and it's good for moisturizing as well. So this one is pretty much packed with just about everything you need for your wash day, and also is a leave-in and a rinse out, so you can leave it in if you rinse it out if you want to. So yeah, this one is a really good one. I've used this a lot of times, most of the time anyway. So for my third deep conditioner is by Shea Moisture, and it's the Manuka Honey and Yoga Hydrate Repair Protein Power Treatment. This one is pretty much empty, but it's really thick as well, and it smells so, ooh, I don't know if it's the yogurt, y'all, but it smells so good. Oh my god. But this one I don't use as often as I do the others because it does have protein in it. I am low porosity, so we kind of tend to stay away from protein overload. So this one I would use probably monthly, I would say, maybe 3 weeks to a month. But it smells so good, and it's to strengthen and protect extreme dry brittle hair. So like I said, if your hair is limp or just brittle and you need something to pump it up, this would be the one to go to. Sorry you guys if you hear the train in the background. I was hoping that wouldn't happen while I was recording today, but it's all good. But anyway, my fourth deep conditioner is the Garnier Hose Blend Honey Treasure line, and it's the repairing mask. And I have recently used this in my wash day video, and it was my first time actually trying it, and it was amazing. I did not expect this to be what it was, y'all. Y'all gotta go check out that video too. So, but I'll leave the link down below, down in the description box down here somewhere, and y'all can check that out after you leave here. But this one is, I don't know, whatever they put in this, y'all, this is like heaven in the bottle. I don't know. It smells good. It's very thick. I don't know if you see that, but very thick. It leaves your hair feeling so freaking soft, y'all. So soft and so moisturized. This would be my favorite new deep conditioner for anybody. Don't tell nobody else. And it's affordable, y'all. It's so affordable. I got mine from Walmart, I believe. It's good for like moisturizing, retention, strengthening, softening the hair, all that in one bottle. It has a lot of slip, detangles very well in the shower. I would definitely recommend this to anybody who struggles with your hair tangling up a lot. Mine does that as well. Like, when I tell y'all this is bomb, this is bomb. And also get the shampoo and the conditioner that matches this, because all these products together just make your wash day so breezy. I'm telling you. get you some of this. The last product that I have is the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strengthening Hair Mask. Very good for detangling, strengthening, all that good stuff, but the smell is not that great. I don't know what it is that they have in here for the smell, but it smells kind of like a dye to me for some reason. I'm not really big on the smell at all, but it does work very well. It has a lot of slip. It's not as thick as my other conditioners. It has coconut, has shea butter, and it has pure honey in here. But for dry and damaged hair, like I said before, everything that is in these deep conditioners, I do focus on hydration because my hair is dry. I like to say hair desert sometimes, but probably not, but it do get dry. But that is my top 5 deep conditioner that I am currently using. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you want to see more videos like this, just let me know and those out to you guys. I will list everything down below that you're seeing on this video today, so make sure you check out that description box. And also thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.